Welcome to Getting Better Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime we drop a new video. 9 best life hacks to become unstoppable. Life hacking is ridiculously fun when you see what it can do for you. These tiny little experiments will help you have an unconventional career, write thousands of blog posts on the internet, meet extraordinary people, and earn enough passive income to be comfortable. People will call you unstoppable. They will call your work ethic crazy, but it's not really. What looks crazy is nothing more than the positive effects of these life hacks. Here are 9 best life hacks to become unstoppable. Number 1. Place your alarm on the other side of your room. This is the first life hack you should learn. If your problem is that you will always sleep in and can't break the habit, this problem will rob you of hours per day that could have been used to create. Place your alarm clock on the other side of your bedroom. When the alarm clock is on the other side of your bedroom and is set to be loud, you have no option but to wake up and turn it off. Once you are out of your warm bed, it's easier not to go back. By automating the decision to wake up, you start your day with a difficult decision that you win by default. The rest of your decision for the day will be easier as a result. Plus, you get a lot of extra time to create. Number 2. Do one form of content creation each day. Choose your poison: video, writing, photography, audio. Create one piece of content each day in the format you find easiest to use. If people only knew the power of content creation, then everyone would be doing it. We have millions of people cancelling their TV streaming subscription to create content when they finish work at the end of the day. Number 3. Content equals freedom. Content helps you find what you're looking for in life. Content helps you narrow your thoughts. Content helps you clarify and see your ideas in a new light. Content helps you meet new people. Content helps you create conversations. Content helps you find work you enjoy. Content helps you validate a business idea. Content helps you find customers. Content helps you change your life. Content will hack your life in your favor. Number 4. Tidy your office space before starting work. There's a secret power you get when working in a space that is free of clutter. Clutter is stress. You can't reach your creative potential when you are stressed. It is for this reason why many people report having the most creative ideas when they are having a warm shower or washing the dishes. During this time, your mind is relaxed and your creativity is cranked up. Sprinkle some joy in your life by removing clutter before you start the day's work. The work will be better for it. Number 5. Read a book a week. If I said books were a life hack, you will probably laugh. Every self-help dude on the planet in a cheap suit talks about books and says, read more and all your dreams will come true. The most powerful habits are the ones you underestimate. It is the small obvious tasks that you dismiss that hold your hidden potential. Any monkey can read, but most people don't, or read far too little. Books are better than Netflix. You learn more when you read what's on a page than you do binge watching endless TV shows. There's something about reading. It plants the idea from the book deep in your subconscious. When you need those ideas, strategies, and skills, your mind serves them up to you. Take up the challenge and try to read some books. With all of us spending more time at home, there are more chances to read. Take what you read and let it inspire you to write if you really want an experiment that will blow your mind. Number 6. Like the comments of trolls. A troll is a person who leaves a terrible comment or sends you a nasty email for no reason. It could be a person who criticizes you at work just to upset you so that they can feel better. Why is this life hack so effective? Being kind to people who dislike or criticize you saves you time and stops you feeling frustrated. The mental energy wasted by replying to comments clearly designed to upset you is not worth it. Think of it this way: every unnecessary hurtful comment you get is a person just like you who's having a bad day. Why should their bad day sabotage your day? Save your time and like the harsh comments and opinion of people who seek to tear you down. Number 7. Go to your settings app and do this. Notifications on your phone are really ads. A notification is an ad to go to the app of a tech company. Once that app captures your attention, they can get you to take the action that supports their business model. Liking a comment supports their business model. Sending a direct message from their app supports their business model. Selling your old stuff for cash supports their business model. Every notification is subtracting from the business model of your life. Take the currency of attention that you siphon off the app's application and redistribute that attention back to your life's work. Operate your life on 0 notifications. Visit apps when you need them, not when they need you. Another quick life hack is this: when your phone is out of sight, it is out of mind. Even if your phone is switched off, if it's right in front of you on your desk while you walk, you'll be distracted. Step away from your phone and surrender to the muse. Place your phone in the other room where you can't see it. Number 8. Choose one daily form of exercise. Exercising for muscle growth or good looks, for me, is pointless. Endorphins are released when you exercise. Endorphins make you feel good. Therefore, exercise to release these endorphins so you can feel good. When you feel good, you become unstoppable. The reduction in stress caused by this habit will change your life for the better. Walk across town to get food on your lunch break. Go to the park in the evening, or take the stairs instead of using an elevator. When you begin implementing some form of exercise into your routine, you will notice that your anxiety will quickly fade away. Choose the form of exercise that works for you and do it every day. Have fun with exercise. Exercise is just movement after all. Don't let people talk you out of your goals. With the right life hacks, you can find ways to be productive that you could never have previously imagined. Use these life hacks to do the best work of your life. Squeeze the juices of meaning and fulfillment into your life's cup so you can see the cup as half full and not half empty. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Keep getting better and have a nice day.